In this lesson, we will finish the muscles Advanced Twist Control. All we need to do now is take care of helpers A and C. We'll get started with A. Remember, we need to find the average of, this time, our mid helper and the start control. Essentially, it's the control that's closest to the helper that we need to rig. Let's go ahead and grab its group. We'll jump to our rotate z-axis. From there, we'll assign our float expression controller. Again, we're creating two variables. The first will be start, and the next will be mid. Once we create mid, and once it gets highlighted, let's go ahead and assign its controller. So what we'll do is go ahead and search underneath our global node for the mid group. Here it is, muscle B target GRP. We'll expand the inside to get to its zero Euler rotate Z controller, the one that has the float expression tied to it. Let's go ahead and click OK. It has been assigned. We'll now go to Start, assign our controller, and search for that helper. Here it is. So on the inside of that, we'll get to its twist axis. Here it is, the rotate Z. Nice. So now we can go ahead and type in our expression. We'll add our parentheses, and inside we'll type start plus mid, and we'll divide that by 2. Now we can evaluate this and test it out. We'll go ahead and start to rotate our control. How awesome is that? So there is our twist distribution in action. Very exciting. All right, just one more, and we will be done. Let's go ahead and grab that control. We'll jump to the rotation Z axis. From there, let's go ahead and take care of the expression. Two variables, right? That's going to be end this time, and mid. Sweet. So with mid highlighted, we can now go ahead and choose assign to controller. It should be easy to find this controller because 3ds Max remembers the path that we have used to set up our variables. And here it is, the z-axis. So let's go ahead and choose OK. Let's now go ahead and select end, choose assign to controller. This should be at the top. Here it is. To expand the inside to get to the rotation z-axis. Here it is. Fantastic. We'll finish out our expression. It's going to be end plus mid, and we'll divide by 2. All right, let's go and evaluate this and test it out. So watch this. So we start to twist now. You can see that it will continue to go. It will continue to move. Because we're taking this value here, which is at about, right now, negative 435 and some change. And we're plugging that value into the rest of these helpers. That's why it will continue to twist. Only, of course, we're creating an average, so it won't twist as much. How exciting. All right, sweet. I'll go ahead and use transform to 0 to bring this back. And that's it for this lesson. What we now need to work on is setting up the squash and stretch system. The muscle's almost finished. And then once we're done here, we'll be able to implement the muscle system. We'll go ahead and add it to our character, and then we'll be able to eventually see how it will perform when we start to skin. All right, sweet. So we're just about ready to use this really cool modular piece that we have been building.